Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na ikore mgeni twika wa gusubscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio Inde Nderitu ni atigite mashabiki make speculate ati riu ni aramisto maica turia turaga guku mbere yake kuhama na guthie bururi wa USA na Eddie aritie u oriri Samido ahithurite gucoka bururi wa Dubai gutwara performance yake ya mugithi hari andu na Kenya meyumirite kuririkania muini uyu ndakaye gutumura gicanja mata kiria kionekanite ku Dubai. Eddie Nderitu na Karenyamu makiundura na good ni undu wake na hau niho tuonire Samido rita ria mbere na ria muico akirwira Eddie Nderitu in public na gwikia Karenyamu nja undu uria warehire gicanja makinene riu gukionekana Ide is missing such memories aria Samido could choose her over the Senate na Eddie ni waritie kana akarekereria ndumiriri ino mutambo-ini wake wa Facebook akiuga ati only look back if you want to see how far you have come or for some good memories #nothing but prayers #power of prayers. Eddie akiuga rorana thutha tuone karugendo karia uthiete kana ukiririkania tu memories twega turia wagereire ndumiriri iria etigite mashabiki make. Me very sure ati Eddie of course no nginya akorwo akiririkana tu maica twega turia maturaga hamwe na Samido mbere ya kugite na wari mwari thigithigi na icanja magatagati gake na Senator Karenyamu haria mafans make meyumirite kuruta opinions yao. Savati agatehi wa mbere kuga memories never die, I know you still remember some. Akiuga asa kindu tangirikanio no undu uria wanahetukira wi mwega kana wi muru. Jude Shilson akiuga when I see your pictures the statement I left him for whoever needed him most runs in my mind. You are strong mami, keep winning. Notorio kiwe Eddie ni akorirwa kirekereria miario yake na kuga ni atigira Karenyamu muthuri wake Samido kuona ni wokire na bata wake makiria haria commissioner ore augite mimi niko sana sana hapo kwa memories, welcome back home #nothing but prayers. Akionania Eddie might be speaking of her coming back to Kenya ona akoroti gucemania na Samido but akorwa akiririkania tu maundu turiekaga guku motherland yake, maybe her favorite joint hotel na restaurant hamwe na andu na arata ake together with her family. Peter Kinothia Musene akihiga ndereti ino na kuga don't look back at soldier, now go forward. I see you are now prepared to meet an American boyfriend who can give you more love. Don't panic, we cheer you on, feel nice in your heart, this life be too short, don't drink soda cause fat can come back. Kikuyu Daily News, subscribe.